Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide details regarding how to uh, filter salt and pepper noise from an image. For this we have using the previous code which we have used in the previous videos. If you are following our channel means you would may know. So first of all, we are just using the cameraman image. So we are not sure whether it is having salt and pepper noise. So we have to add salt and pepper noise in it. So that for that I'm just using the default salt and default noise adding function in Matlab, which is I'm just calling that as IMG since it is SP since it is salt and pepper short form of SP. Then I am adding for that I am using IM noise NOISE, then calling the original image of cameraman which is IMG. Here you can see different noise we can add. In this we are going to add salt and pepper noise. Salt and D. If you want to give any variables for the salt and pepper noise means we can give. I am just using 0.02, and now I have to I'm going to see this code in a image. See how much noise is added. For that I'm just using the original image, then the salt and pepper noise image, and which is original image with salt pepper noise image. Okay, then now we can run this code. So this is the original image with the salt and pepper noise image. So in order to this remove the salt and pepper noise, the salt and pepper noise will be removed better with the median filter itself. In the previous video itself we saw that the salt and pepper, the median filter will only show better results than Gaussian filter, but still we can work both with Gaussian filter and also median filter. So for the Gaussian filter we are just using the Gaussian filter code which we have run previously, and in this we am calling the salt and pepper noise, and here also the original, not the salt and pepper noise with this salt and pepper noise Gaussian filter. So this is the original salt and pepper noise image and with the Gaussian filtered image. So now we can run only this code. You can see this is the original image, and sorry, this is the salt and pepper noise added image and the original image. Before that we can run both this code to see the variations between the original images. So if it so means you can see the original image, it's clear, but it's not as clear as the Gaussian filter image. So we can try with median filter image also. So for that I'm just using this code. Here I'm calling the salt and pepper noise image. Here also the salt and pepper noise image. Here the salt and pepper noise medium image and salt and pepper noise medium image. Here the salt and pepper noise image with median filter image. Now we can only run this lines of code. Just I am selecting them and giving evaluate section. Now we can see the difference between the original image, salt and pepper noise image, then the Gaussian filter image and the median filter image. When compared to the original salt and pepper noise image, here also the median filter is removing the salt and by also preserving the image features better than Gaussian filter, which is median filter. So if the In this case, we can conclude that median filter is better in removing salt and pepper noise when compared to the Gaussian image. So we'll see with the next video to by using and beyond a filter. Thank you.